how you can open any software in Windows with just the press of one key. Let's go. Open AutoHotkey first. Put a hotkey in here, for example, F3 ... and return. And in between that, now it depends on which software I want to open Premiere Pro, okay? So I go to Start, type in Premiere or whatever software you want to open, right-click, open file location. Very important now to copy this here. Put it in here. Copy a backslash, put it behind, go back, and now make sure to copy the entire name of the software. If there's a dot and I don't know, AHK or PNG or whatever, copy that also. In my case, it's not. So let's do it. Sometimes, by the way, it's hidden. So if it doesn't open, it might be the case that you have some kind of view options enabled that these endings are hidden. In my case, though, it works like this. Okay, so I copy the name, put it here behind, save, and sorry, I forgot the run. So now we save it. Tools, run as, yes. And now when I press F3, it opens my software, in this case, Premiere Pro. Thanks very much for watching. If you found this helpful, then consider leaving a like, consider staying alive, leave a like, and subscribe if you're new here or if you're just curious and want to see what's possible with AHK. In any case, I wish you a nice day. Bye-bye.